Hey guys, today I'm gonna see if snow actually, like if you put it in, if you let it melt, it will be like dirty or something. So let's do it. There. Now, got my bucket right here. It's not really a bowl, it's a bucket, but let's go see. See that? Seagulls. It always have so much snow. Come. Yeah. This is good enough, right? Phil got it in there. Now set it for 11 seconds. Right. Start. See. Hopefully it can melt. There. What? Let's leave it in there for a long time. 22 seconds. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Huh. Okay, let me smell. Okay. That mess is busted. You can't eat snow. Bye.